Hey guys, welcome back to the Merchant Navy. The much awaited IMU CET application forms are now out. To download prospectus and fill application form, visit on the IMU official website. Then click on admissions. These are the admissions to UG and PG program, that is the undergraduation and the postgrad programs. See, this is the academic brochure for 2021 for UG and PG postgraduate programs. These are the Vice Chancellor's message. This is the content, and this is the introduction about IMU. As you see, these lines are very important, as it says that it is IMU CET is mandatory to take admission in any MTIs. Next are the program offered by IMU. In the programs offered, there are two types of program. One is the UG programs and other are the postgraduate programs. In UG programs, these are the courses offered in the UG program list. So it is 4-year BTech Marine Engineering, 4-year BTech Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering, 3-year BSc Nautical Science, 3-year BBA, 3-year BSc and 1-year Diploma in Nautical Science. Next are the post-graduation programs. These are the post-graduation programs offered by IMU University, that are 2-year MTech in Marine Engineering and Management, 2-year MTech in Naval Architecture and Ocean Engineering, 2-year MTech in Dredging and Harbour Engineering, 2-year MBA Port and Shipping Management, 2-year MBA for International Transport and Logistics Management, and 2-year MSc. This is post-graduation diploma, also known as PGDME, commonly known as GME course. And next are the research programs, that is the PhD and MS. So when we scroll down, these are the list of courses offered by different IMU campuses. Note down, these are the IMU campuses for undergraduate programs. So these are the campuses, these are the program offered, and this is the duration. So IMU Kolkata campus offers BTech Marine Engineering, which is a 4-year duration. Same Mumbai campus, BTech Marine Engineering. IMU Navi Mumbai campus offers BSc Nautical Science and DNS course. Chennai offers these 4 courses. Then next is Visakhapatnam and Kochi. This is the list of PG courses offered by IMU campuses. IMU Kolkata offers MTech, MBA, Visakhapatnam MTech, MBA, Chennai campus 3 courses, Cochin 2 courses, and Navi Mumbai is 1 course. This is the PGDME course or the GME course, only available at Mumbai Port campus, and which is a 1-year course. These are all the affiliated institutes, a total of 18 institutes affiliated with the institute name, program offered, number of seats. These are the CIP grades, and the seats filled for August batch, and these are the AS. So this is the serial number. These are not the rankings of the institute, but these are arranged according to alphabetical order. So Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy offers DNS course and also GME course. ARI offers DNS course, and as we go down, see a total of 18 institutes, and the grade GEMS offers DNS course with total number of 80 seats and grade is A1. Tolani Maritime Institute offers DNS course, BSc Nautical Science, MTech in Marine Engineering.